Looking for a luxury escape that truly delivers on every promise? Let me take you through Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit, a resort that has been turning heads and collecting awards since opening its doors in 2010. This 5-star all-inclusive property sits on 40 acres of pristine beachfront in Nuevo Vallarta, Mexico, and it is not your average resort. With ratings consistently hitting 9.4 out of 10 on Booking.com and 4.5 stars on TripAdvisor, this place has earned its reputation as one of the top luxury destinations in the Riviera Nayarit. The resort is part of the Velas Resorts family, which has been perfecting the art of Mexican hospitality since 1995. What makes this property special is how it manages to cater to everyone, from honeymooners seeking romance to families wanting quality time together, all while maintaining that exclusive, high-end feel throughout. The property underwent significant updates in 2023 and 2024, including suite refreshes with new linens and technology upgrades, plus major enhancements to their already impressive spa facilities. When you arrive at Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit, you are not just checking into another beach resort. You are stepping into a world where luxury meets authenticity, where Mexican culture blends seamlessly with world-class amenities, and where every detail has been carefully considered to create an unforgettable experience. Let me start with the accommodations, because this is where Grand Velas really shows what it is made of. Every single one of the 419 suites is either oceanfront or garden view, and here is the kicker. The smallest suite starts at 1,270 square feet. That is bigger than many people's apartments. We are talking about spaces with marble floors, jetted tubs, plasma televisions, and balconies that make you want to spend your entire vacation just sitting outside with a drink. The resort is divided into 3 distinct sections, each with its own vibe. The Zen Grand section is adults only, perfect for couples who want peace and quiet. These suites come standard with 1 bedroom, a king-sized bed, separate living areas, and private balconies. The minibars are stocked with premium liquors, you get an espresso machine for your morning coffee fix, and the bathrooms feature molten brown toiletries that smell absolutely amazing. Twice daily service means your suite is always pristine, and if you really want to splurge, you can upgrade to a suite with a private terrace plunge pool for an extra $200 per night. Imagine soaking in your own pool while watching the sunset over Banderas Bay. The Ambassador Suites are where families feel right at home. These range from 1 to 2 bedrooms and can accommodate anywhere from 2 to 5 guests. You get all the same luxury amenities as the Zen Grand section, but with added family-friendly touches like connecting room options for larger groups and a kids' toy menu, because yes, this resort thinks of everything. Butler service comes standard here, which means someone is always available to help arrange activities, make dinner reservations, or handle any special requests. Then there are the Grand Class Suites, which take luxury up another notch. These 2-bedroom beauties span 2,540 square feet and come with personal concierge service and private check-in, so you skip the lobby entirely. Some of these suites feature rooftop terraces with plunge pools and access to a VIP lounge. The views from up there are absolutely stunning, with full oceanfront panoramas that stretch as far as you can see. At the very top of the accommodation ladder sits the Grand Villa, a 3-bedroom masterpiece covering over 4,000 square feet. This is where you bring the whole extended family or your closest friends for a celebration. With a rooftop infinity pool, the option to hire a private chef, and panoramic ocean views from every angle, this villa is basically a private luxury home within the resort. Prices vary depending on the season, with low season rates starting around $800 per night for a Zen Grand Suite, and going up to $4,000 or more for the Grand Villa during peak times like Christmas and New Year. The summer months offer the best value, with promotions sometimes knocking 20% off the regular rates. Now let us talk about the food, because this is honestly where Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit absolutely shines. The resort features 8 restaurants and 5 bars, all included in your all-inclusive package, though I should mention that the Michelin-starred restaurant carries a supplement. Let me walk you through the highlights. Cocina de Autor is the crown jewel of the dining scene here. This restaurant earned a Michelin star for its avant-garde approach to Mexican fusion cuisine. The tasting menu is an experience unto itself, featuring dishes like mole negro with complex layers of flavor, innovative seafood ceviches that play with texture and temperature, and desserts like chocolate spheres that crack open to reveal hidden surprises. The supplement is $150 per person, and you absolutely need reservations, but if you are a foodie, this is worth every penny. The dress code is elegant, so leave the shorts and flip-flops back in your suite. Frida serves authentic Mexican cuisine in a vibrant setting that celebrates the country's rich culinary traditions. Here you will find tacos al pastor with perfectly caramelized pork, chiles rellenos stuffed with cheese and topped with walnut sauce, and mole poblano that takes 3 days to prepare. The restaurant operates from lunch through late dinner, and they host tequila tastings on Friday and Saturday nights where you can learn about Mexico's national spirit from experts. Luca brings Italian flavors to the beach with house-made pastas that would make any Italian grandmother proud. The osso buco is fall-off-the-bone tender, braised for hours until the meat practically melts in your mouth, and the tiramisu is the perfect ending to any meal. Wine pairings are available, and the sommelier really knows their stuff. Azul is your beachfront seafood destination, open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The ceviche bar alone is worth a visit, with fresh catches prepared in different regional styles. The lobster thermidor is decadent and rich, and the sunset seafood nights are particularly special, with the kitchen preparing special dishes as the sun dips below the horizon. The setting right on the beach with your toes in the sand makes every meal feel like a celebration. The piano bar in the lobby is perfect for a pre-dinner cocktail or a nightcap. Live piano music plays every evening from 3 in the afternoon until 1 in the morning, creating a sophisticated atmosphere. The bartenders here are artists, crafting cocktails that are as beautiful as they are delicious. The tapas menu offers small bites that pair perfectly with drinks. Beyond these main venues, there are additional restaurants serving Asian fusion, French cuisine, and more casual options. The beauty of the all-inclusive model here is that you can try something different every night without worrying about the bill. Most restaurants operate on a walk-in basis, though the staff can usually accommodate reservations if you have your heart set on a particular time or table. One unique feature is the tequila and mezcal sommelier, a position you will not find at many resorts. This expert can guide you through tastings, explain the differences between regions and production methods, and help you discover new favorites to take home. The pool and beach facilities at Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit are designed to give you options, whether you want action and entertainment or peaceful relaxation. The resort features 5 distinct pools spread across the property. The adults-only infinity pool in the Zen Grand section is 25 meters long and ranges from 1.2 to 1.5 meters deep. A swim-up bar serves drinks without you ever having to leave the water, and the infinity edge creates the illusion that the pool flows directly into the ocean beyond. This pool is where you will find couples lounging on dabs, reading books, and enjoying the tranquil atmosphere. The family infinity pool is much larger at 200 square meters and includes water slides that kids absolutely love. There is also a dedicated kids pool with a shallow splash zone perfect for toddlers and young children. 2 additional quiet pools offer alternatives when the main pools get busy during peak season. All pools are open from 7 in the morning until 11 at night year-round, and the temperature is maintained at a comfortable level even during the cooler winter evenings. Towel service is included, and waiters circulate constantly taking drink and food orders, so you never have to leave your lounger unless you want to. The beach is truly spectacular, stretching 1,600 feet along Banderas Bay with golden sand that stays relatively cool even under the hot Mexican sun. Beach butlers are assigned to sections of the beach, and they will set up your loungers, bring you towels, take your orders, and even apply sunscreen to those hard-to-reach spots if you ask. Cabanas are available for rent if you want extra shade and privacy, complete with curtains, fans, and dedicated service. The water activities are impressive. Kayaks and paddleboards are complimentary, as is snorkeling gear, and the calm bay waters make these activities accessible even for beginners. If you want more excitement, motorized water sports like jet skiing and parasailing are available for an additional fee through vendors who work with the resort. The beach staff can arrange everything for you. One of the nice touches is that the beach never feels crowded, even during busy periods. The resort limits the number of guests and spreads loungers out generously, so you always have space and privacy. Watching the sunset from the beach is a nightly ritual for many guests, and the resort often has staff circulating with champagne and appetizers during this time, turning a beautiful natural phenomenon into a special event. When it comes to activities, Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit ensures that boredom is simply not an option. The fitness center is equipped with Technogym cardio machines and weights, plus a dedicated yoga studio with floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the gardens. The facility is open from 6 in the morning until 9 at night, giving early risers and night owls alike the chance to work out. Group fitness classes run throughout the day, including yoga, pilates, and aqua aerobics in the pool. The instructors are certified and enthusiastic, making classes accessible to all fitness levels. Beyond the gym, the resort offers a full calendar of activities. Beach volleyball nets are set up daily, and the activities team organizes friendly tournaments. Water aerobics classes in the pool are popular, especially with guests who want a low-impact workout. For those interested in Mexican culture, the resort offers Spanish language classes, tequila and mezcal tastings with education about production methods, and cooking classes where you can learn to make authentic dishes like mole or ceviche. The activities team also organizes games by the pool, from water volleyball to trivia contests with prizes. Evening entertainment is a highlight with live music performances, traditional Mexican folk dancing, and fire shows happening throughout the week. These performances typically start around 8 in the evening and take place in the main plaza area. The quality is genuinely impressive, not the cheesy resort entertainment you might expect. The musicians are talented, the dancers are professionals, and the fire shows are exciting without being dangerous. Special seasonal events add extra excitement throughout the year. The Day of the Dead celebrations in late October and early November are particularly special, with altars set up around the resort, traditional foods, and explanations of the cultural significance. Christmas brings posadas, traditional Mexican celebrations with pinatas, music, and special foods. The resort also offers excursions to nearby attractions, which I will discuss more later, but these are organized through the concierge and include everything from ziplining adventures to boat tours of Banderas Bay. The staff-to-guest ratio is high, which means activities are well organized and there is always someone available to help you try something new or answer questions. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.